Welcome back to Adi Quanta. It's time to test your knowledge. 20 general knowledge quizzes. Are you ready? Let's start. Which country has the most educated people? A. US. A. B. UK. C. Canada. Your correct answer is C. Canada. Which country has the worst traffic? A. India. B. Brazil. C. Nigeria. Your correct answer is C. Nigeria. Which country has the most powerful military? A. United States. B. China. C. Russia. Your correct answer is A. United States. Which country has the lowest crime rate? A. Japan. B. Iceland. C. Norway. Your correct answer is B. Iceland. Which country has the highest crime rate? A. Brazil. B. Mexico. C. Venezuela. Your correct answer is C. Venezuela. Which country has the best universities? A. US. A. B. Australia. C. United Kingdom. Your correct answer is C. United Kingdom. Which country has the highest cancer rate? A. US. A. B. Australia. C. UK. Your correct answer is B. Australia. Which country has the most advanced technology? A. Japan. B. Germany. C. South Korea. Your correct answer is C. South Korea. Which country has the strongest women? A. Iceland. B. US. A. C. Canada. Your correct answer is A. Iceland. Which country has the highest poverty rate? A. India. B. Nigeria. C. South Sudan. Your correct answer is C. South Sudan. Which country has the most billionaires? A. China. B. US. A. C. Germany. Your correct answer is B. US. A. Which country has the highest corruption rate? A. Venezuela. B. Somalia. C. Iraq. Your correct answer is B. Somalia. Which country has the best healthcare system? A. Germany. B. UK. C. Switzerland. Your correct answer is C. Switzerland. Which country has the best street food? A. India. B. Thailand. C. China. Your correct answer is B. Thailand. Which country has the strictest parents? A. China. B. Japan. C. Korea. Your correct answer is A. China. Which country has the most powerful economy? A. China. B. Japan. C. United States. Your correct answer is C. United States. Which country is the most expensive to live in? A. US. A. B. Switzerland. C. Norway. Your correct answer is B. Switzerland. Which country has the cleanest drinking water? A. Iceland. B. Canada. C. Germany. Your correct answer is A. Iceland. Which country has the fastest trains? A. Japan. B. China. C. France. Your correct answer is B. China. Which country does not have an army? A. Panama. B. Costa Rica. C. Nepal. Your correct answer is B. Costa Rica. Well done. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed the challenge, subscribe to Adi Quanta for more general knowledge quizzes. Keep learning, keep winning. See you in the next challenge.